Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMaster PIR camera detector. The Nextcam K9-85 PG2. You will need one CR17450 battery pack per device and a small Phillips-head screwdriver. Use the Phillips screwdriver to loosen the retaining screw at the bottom of the sensor. You don't need to take it all the way out. Lift the front half of the device, hinging from the top, and lift upwards to remove. After opening the device, you may receive a Tamper Alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. On the back of the sensor you will see the battery pack and connector. This is secured in place with a plastic clip. Unplug the battery by carefully pulling up on the connector. Release the battery by pulling up on the clip and remove the battery from the holder. Then you can insert the new battery into the holder and push down on the clip to secure it in place. Plug in the battery connector. This can only be inserted one way. Ensure it is securely connected. Now we can reattach the device to the bracket, clipping in the top first and hinging it closed. While holding the device closed, tighten the retaining screw. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. If not, reopen the device and ensure the battery is properly connected. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.